You know what's wild? Most people think growing fruit requires land, like serious land. But here's the part nobody tells you.
Some fruit trees actually do better in pots. Not survive, not struggle, thrive. And today I'm showing you 10 fruit trees that will grow in containers, produce serious harvests, and in some cases, literally pay for themselves in one season. If you've got a patio, a small backyard, a balcony, even just a sunny corner, you can grow fruit. And number one on this list?
Get fruits faster than most people think possible. Let's get into it.
Number 10, the pomegranate revolution. Let's start with something that sounds fancy. Pomegranates in pots. But here's the truth. Dwarf varieties like Nana or State Fair are practically indestructible. They have compact root systems. They're perfectly happy in a 15 to 20 gallon container. And once established, they're drought tolerant, which means if you forget to water one afternoon, they won't collapse on you. That alone makes them beginner friendly. Now let's talk production. A healthy container pomegranate can give you 15 to 30 fruits per season. At grocery store prices, that's easily $50 to $75 worth of fruit from one pot. And they're beautiful. Bright red flowers in spring, glossy leaves, then deep ruby fruit hanging like ornaments. And here's something people overlook. You can move them. Cold winter coming? Bring it into a garage. Heavy rain season? Shift it under cover.
That flexibility changes everything.
Number 9, the fig that changes everything.
Figs are different. They don't just tolerate containers. They prefer them.
Figs actually like being slightly root-bound. When their roots feel confined, they focus on fruit, not excess leafy growth. That's perfect for pots. Varieties like Petite Negra or Chicago Hardy are incredible. And here's where figs get exciting. They fruit on new growth. So even if winter knocks them back, they grow new branches and still produce fruit that same year. And here's a trick most people don't know. During fruiting season, let the soil dry slightly between waterings. That mild stress concentrates sugars. The result? Sweeter figs, like candy. Fresh figs at the store cost $6 to $8 for a tiny plastic box.
A single container fig tree can produce 50, sometimes 100 fruits in a season. Do that math.
Number 8, blueberries that actually work.
Blueberries are where most people fail.
Not because they're hard, but because they ignore one thing: soil pH. Blueberries need acidic soil, 4.5 to 5.5 pH. Regular potting soil won't cut it.
But in a container, you control everything.
Varieties like Top Hat or Peach Sorbet stay under 3 feet tall. Perfect for pots. One mature bush can produce 3 to 5 pounds of berries per season. Organic blueberries at the store? $5 to $7 per pound. You're looking at $20 to $35 of fruit from one plant in year 1.
And here's what makes container blueberries brilliant. Mobility.
Too much sun? Move it. Late frost? Move it. Heavy rain? Move it. Control equals success. Number 7, the lemon tree secret.
Everyone talks about Meyer lemons in pots, but most people don't explain why they work so well.
Meyer lemons are semi-dwarf, but more importantly, they're ever-bearing. That means flowers, small fruit, and ripe lemons can exist on the same tree at the same time.
It's like a grocery store in one container. One established tree can produce 50 to 100 lemons per year.
At $1 to $1.50 per lemon, you see where this is going. And here's the underrated part. Lemons in pots are easier to manage than in ground lemons. Too cold? Bring it inside. Pests? Isolate and treat one pot. Soil problem? Replace soil. You control the entire environment. Feed it every 2 weeks during growing season with something simple like fish emulsion. You don't need fancy citrus fertilizer. And when it blooms, your entire patio smells like a citrus grove. That alone makes it worth it. Number 6, dwarf peaches that over-deliver.
Peaches in pots sound impossible.
But dwarf varieties like Bonanza prove otherwise. They stay around 5 to 6 feet tall, self-pollinating, full-size fruit. Here's the key: thin the fruit. When baby peaches appear, remove about half. It feels wrong, but it makes the remaining peaches larger, sweeter, and juicier. One container peach tree can give you 20 to 40 peaches. Organic peaches run $3 to $4 per pound. Plus, homegrown peaches ripen on the tree. Store peaches are picked early.
That flavor difference? Massive.
Number 5, cherries without the ladder.
Dwarf cherries like Romeo and Juliet are container superstars.
They're hardy, manageable, and here's the big advantage: you can net them easily. Birds destroy cherry crops.
But when your tree is in a pot, throw a net over it in 5 minutes. Problem solved.
Container cherries can produce 10 to 15 pounds per season. Store cherries often hit $8 to $10 per pound. That's $80 to $150 worth of fruit from one manageable plant. And when they bloom, clouds of pink and white flowers, ornamental and productive. Number 4, the apple that fits anywhere. Columnar apples grow vertically, 8 to 10 feet tall, only 2 feet wide, perfect for tight spaces. Varieties like North Pole or Golden Sentinel are ideal. Each tree can produce 15 to 25 full-sized apples, and apples store well. You can harvest in fall and eat through winter. When organic apples cost $3 to $4 per pound, the savings add up. Plus, small trees are easier to inspect for pests. You see problems early, you fix them early. Number 3, strawberries reimagined.
Not technically trees, but too productive to ignore.
Ever-bearing strawberries produce from late spring through fall.
6 to 8 plants in one container can give you fresh berries almost daily during peak season.
Store strawberries are expensive and bland. Homegrown strawberries? Sweeter, juicier, softer. And here's the secret: replant the runners. Each mature plant sends out baby plants. Pot those up. Endless supply, minimal cost. Number 2, avocados that actually fruit. Yes, you can grow avocados in containers. Dwarf varieties like Wurtz or Little Cotto are designed for it. They take patience, 3 to 4 years before serious fruiting. But once they start, 20 to 30 avocados per year. At $5 to $8 per avocado in stores, the long-term savings are huge. Use well-draining soil, avoid overwatering. Be patient. A container avocado tree can live 20 plus years. That's thousands of dollars in fruit over time. Number 1, the banana trick.
This one surprises people. Dwarf bananas in pots.
They produce fruit in 18 months to 2 years, faster than most fruit trees. One plant can produce 50 to 100 bananas in a single bunch. After fruiting, the main stem dies. But it sends up pups, baby plants. Separate them, repot them. Multiply your production. Bananas love warmth and rich soil. In cold climates, bring them inside during winter.
It's one of the most visually rewarding container plants you can grow. Cutting down your own bunch of bananas? Unreal feeling. So there you have it. 10 fruit trees that thrive in pots.
save you money, give you control, and turn small spaces into productive gardens.
Which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more practical, budget-friendly growing strategies, subscribe.